Hello and welcome to GlobalBox.world product upload tutorial. Thanks for joining us. Today we'll learn about how to upload a product on the platform. Once you are logged in with your credentials, proceed to the Post Product option. Here you will see some terms and conditions that need to be followed while uploading a product. Once you have read all of these instructions, click Agree. All the important fields are marked in red. Let's start by inputting a product name and the total quantity available. If your product requires a lead time, select Yes and input the number of days required to manufacture. Categories help a customer locate the product, and the subcategories help in advanced searching. All the drop-down menus will have the correct option to choose from. Make sure to be as specific as possible. If the product is age-restricted, click on Yes and type the minimum age required to use the product. Click the options that best match your product here. For our product, we'll go with New and Genuine. GlobalBox does not promote sale of fake products, so you will have to sign a disclaimer here about the authenticity of the product. If your product comes with a warranty, select Yes or No. I'll select 3 months here. And now enter the warranty, product, terms and conditions here. For product description, make sure to be as detailed as possible and don't hesitate to input tables and other information. If your product has an SKU number, UPC number, or an OEM product number, input them in these columns. For the additional product information, feel free to add text, images, and tables to make the product description look attractive to the customer. Tags help in better visibility of the products on the platform. With tags, make sure to be as specific as possible. The primary item location is where the vendor, product, or the warehouse is located. You can add multiple item locations if you have different places to ship the product. Click Yes to add more locations. You can add more locations in the My Profile section under the Address Edit and Add option. If your product has variations like size, color, and type, click Yes. Since this is a clothing item, I will do small, medium, and large. For color, let's input white, red, and blue. Make sure to match the quantity for each variation to the total quantity of product available. You can also base the quantity on size, color, and type if you wanted. If you can provide with product customization, click Yes and input how can the customer get it done. Select Yes or No for gift wrapping option, then validate product information. GlobalBox gives you the option to choose which market segment you want to operate in. Let's assume we are a B2B and a B2C business. You can choose from all of these market segments. For this particular product, let's say this product can be shipped as well as be picked up from our local warehouse. You can add additional pickup locations as well. Fill in any product HS, HTS, and ISBN code that you have. You can select countries where you want to ship the product. Let's say we can't ship our product to Colombia and Cuba. Make sure to select the countries where you can readily ship the products. Next up is shipping information. You can choose from the metric and imperial system. Here, input the accurate shipping information per product, including packaging. Now validate shipping information. Every product upload has a timer of 60 minutes. Make sure to keep a check on the timer while uploading a product. Our customers on average take about 2 minutes to upload a product when they have all the necessary information ready. Next, we will go over the pricing structure and order quantities. If there is a minimum quantity required to purchase a product, select Yes and input the number. Since we are selling to individual customers, we'll select No here. If you want to give a discount for buying larger quantities, select Yes and enter the required information. The discount is calculated automatically by the system. Here the discount did not apply automatically, so we'll just edit the number. You can see the final price calculations here, including GlobalBox commission and suggested tax level. The final price on the website is displayed with the tax amount. Validate the pricing information now. Premium features like featuring a product or a vendor are paid. If you want to feature this product, click on Feature Product and feature until, let's say, till 30th April. This will give us an estimate on how much the feature will cost. Click Yes or No if you want to go ahead with this feature. You can also feature your business here with the Feature Vendor option. You can see the cost breakdown for a countrywide feature. You can also upload a custom image or banner for the specific feature. For this demo, we will not be doing a vendor feature, so click No. Let's skip to the next section now. Here you can upload up to 3 images per product. You need to upload a minimum of 1 image to get the product live. For this demo, we'll just use 1 image, but we recommend you to use all the slots. You can add more images, but will have to pay some additional fees for that. Validate the images section now. You can see that everything is in the green now, which means approved by the system. A featured promotional video for your product can be added to the system with some additional fees. We'll skip this section for now and move on to post the product. Click on the Post Product and we can see that our product upload was a success. Now wait for the system to redirect you to the product waiting period page. All products have to go through a system for approvals. This helps us get great looking products up on the website. Here you can see the basic product information with its image. This product then goes through the approval stage and gets posted online as a live product. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and leave any comments or questions you have in the comments section below. Thanks for joining this product upload session.